Students, all of you in a 9th standard. Up to 8th standard, maths is only one subject, but in a 9th standard, that subject divides into two parts. That is maths 1 and maths 2. Maths 1 means algebra and maths 2 means geometry. So now we study the maths 2 geometry. Geometry is generated from Greek word, that is geo means earth and metria means measuring. So that is used to measuring the earth, that is land. Students, now we will start the first chapter of 9 geometry, that is the basic concepts in geometry. So what is the basic concept in geometry? That is the point, line and plane. So what is meant by the point? A fine and tiny dot made by a sharp pencil on a paper is called as a point. So this is a 1 point. So point denoted as by a capital, always capital letter. So here point A or here by point B. This type we write. Now second basic concept of in geometry, that is the line. So this is the one line. Here point A and here point B. So line means a line is a set of points which extend infinitely in both the direction. This line extends this direction also and this direction also. So if A and B are the 2 points, these are the 2 points, then given in the line, then line name as a line AB. We call it as a line AB. Now third basic concept is a plane. So plane is a flat surface which extend indefinitely in all direction. This blackboard also, so one plane, this extend in all direction, here also and that side also. So these are the basic concept in geometry. Now we see the coordinates of points and their distance. We know every real number can be represented by a point on a number line. So these are the number lines. See in these number lines, here the 0, this side positive number and this side a negative number. So O is a coordinate of point O. So coordinate of point D is 1. Coordinate of point E 3. Here coordinate of point C is -2. Coordinate of point B -3. Coordinate of point A -5. So these are the coordinates. Now with the help of these coordinates, we find out the distance between 2 points. So find the distance between 2 points, we use these coordinates. Now subtract the smaller number coordinate from the bigger number coordinate. So we form this, or we find out the distance between 2 points. Now see the example, the coordinates of point D is 1. See in this number line, the coordinates of point E is 3. Here 3 is greater than 1. So distance between point E and D is 3 minus 1. Is a bigger number, subtract smaller numbers. So 3 minus 1, 2. 2 is the distance between these 2 points. So distance between E and D is denoted by this type. Distance D, E comma D. So here we write this type. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Also we write here the length of E and D. This also same. So distance ED and here the length of ED, that is 2. These two are the same. So this type we see the another example, that is the distance between AB. So here we write distance between A and B. So coordinates of A become a -5. So we have coordinates of A is -5 and coordinates of B is here -3. So which one is greater in these two numbers? That is the -3 greater than -5. Negative number when small, that is the greater than -5. So we subtract. So find out the formula. Distance AB is equal to, that is the greater number -3 minus -5. So -3 minus +5. So what is the distance between this AB? That is 2. Or we write as a length AB also 2. So now we see the next part of this chapter, that is the betweenness. If here the P, Q, R are the three distinct collinear points, there are the three possibilities. See the first one, P, Q, R, point plotted in this line. So point Q is between P and R. Therefore distance between PQ plus distance QR is equal to distance PR. So we write mathematically this type also, P dash Q dash R. In second one, point R is between P and Q. So we write as this type, P dash R dash Q. Third one, point P between R and Q. So we write as R dash P dash Q. So in this first one, there is the distance PQ plus distance QR is equal to distance PR. Is said to be, that is the point Q is between P and R. Students, we will start the practice set 1.1. See the question number first. Find the distance with the help of number line. This is the number line in given your textbook. Here the O, this side positive numbers, this side negative numbers. First we find out the distance between B and E. So the coordinate of point B is here 2. So we write here 2. Then the coordinate of point E is here 5. So we write here 5. Now we find the distance between this. So in this number, which are the greater number? So 5. So 5 greater than 2. Therefore, distance between B and E, we subtract the smaller number from greater number. So 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Therefore, the distance between B and E is equal to 3. So, distance number is always positive. Now, see the next third one example. Find out the distance between P and C. Again, we write here the coordinate of point P is, that is the minus 4, and the coordinate of point C is here 3. Now in these two numbers, which are we have one the greater? That is the 3 greater than minus 4. Therefore, distance between PC is equal to, that is the smaller number subtract from greater number. Therefore, here we write the 3 minus minus 4. So minus minus plus 4 is equal to 7. So distance between P and C is 7. Now we see the second question. If the coordinate of A is x and that of B is y, find the distance of A, B. So you see the first example, x equal to 1, y equal to 7. Which is greater? 7. 7 is greater than 1. Therefore, distance between A and B is equal to, that is the greater number 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. Therefore, distance between AB is equal to 6. Now we see the next example. X is equal to minus 3, y is equal to minus 6. Which one is greater? Minus 3 greater than minus 6. Therefore, distance between A and B is equal to greater number minus smaller number, that is the minus 6. So minus 3 minus minus plus 6 is equal to 3. So distance between AB is 3. One thing remember here, answer is always positive. The distance is always positive. Students, we will start question number 3 in practice set 1.1. See the question, that is from the information given below. Find which of the point is between the other two. If the points are not collinear, state so. See the first example. Here distance PR is equal to 7, distance PQ equal to 10 and distance QR is equal to 3. Now, suppose sum of any two equal to the third one. So that points are collinear. In this example, here the greater number is a 10 and sum of 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Therefore, we write here distance PQ is equal to 10. Therefore, distance PR plus distance QR is equal to 7 plus 3, that is equal to 10. Therefore, distance PQ is equal to distance PR plus distance QR. So, because this is a 10, 7 plus 3, 10. So, 10 is equal to 10. Therefore, point P, Q, R are collinear. Now see the next second example. Distance RS equal to 8 and distance ST equal to 6. Distance RT equal to 4. See in this example, sum of any two number is not equal to third one. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Here 8. Now 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. Here given a 4. So this is a not collinear number. Therefore, distance RS is equal to 8 and distance ST plus distance RT is equal to 6 plus 4. Therefore, distance RS not equal to distance ST plus distance RT. Therefore, here R, S and T are not collinear. Now we see the question number 4. On a number line, point A, B and C are such that distance AC equal to 10, distance of CB is equal to 8 and find the distance AB considering all possibilities. Now in this example, we don't know the betweenness. So first we find out betweenness. Now here are the two possibilities. See the first possibility. A, C, B. Now these are the 3 points A, B, C such that these points are in first possibility A dash, C dash, B. This time. Now here the distance AC plus distance CB is equal to distance AB. See here, distance AC plus distance CB is equal to distance AB. Put the value, distance AC 10, 10 plus CB 8 is equal to distance AB. So what is the value? 18 is equal to distance AB. So these are the first possibility, that is the distance AB equal to 18. Now second possibility. In this possibility, the points A, B, C are such that the points A, B, C are such that is the A dash B dash C this time. Okay. Now here the distance AB plus distance BC is equal to distance AC. Here distance AB plus distance BC is equal to distance AC. So AB we don't know. So AB plus distance BC given, that is the 8, is equal to distance AC given the 10. So we write here 10. Here 8 plus, that side minus. So distance AB is equal to 10 minus 8. So distance AB is equal to 2. These are the two possibilities. Here first one is 18, then next one is a 2. Question number 5 is the same as question number 4. So we see the next question, question number 6. We will see the question number 6. Sketch proper figure and write the answer of the following questions. See the first example. If A dash B dash C and length of AC is equal to 11, length of BC is equal to 6.5, then find the length of AB. Here B between A and C. Therefore, first we draw the figure. Here A, B and C. Therefore, length of AB plus length of BC is equal to length of AC. Here length of AB we find out. Therefore, right here length of AB plus length of BC. Here 6.5. Right here value 6.5. Length of AC here 11. 6.5 here plus, that side minus. Length of AB is equal to 11 minus 6.5. So length of AB is equal to 4.5. This is the answer. Now next two questions same as it is. Now we see the example number 7. Which figure is formed by three non-collinear points? Here we take the three non-collinear points. Suppose we take here this type. Here A, B and C. These are the non-collinear points. We join this. So we form a triangle. So which figure we form? Triangle.